Two apple trees planted. Very thoughtful structure to support them. They had not been maintained after they were planted, or not much. So we very systematically went through and removed branches that we could, saving larger branches till the winter. Like this would be a candidate to be removed because it protrudes forward, but that's a bigger cut. So I'm gonna wait until the dormant season. In the dormant season, less likely to have insects and pests, fungus active. Generally they would not be active in the winter. So we just very systematically went through, attached branches, fanned them out. This is an informal Espalier style. So there's order, but it's not a regimented tiers at a certain measured distance. This area was sparse, but there were branches, so we've attached and trained them to fill in. The tree on the right was quite a bit more vigorous, received a lot more sunlight, it appeared. So we removed quite a bit of material from that. The plant on the left, also an apple, was being shaded out, so that was not as vigorous. So we've positioned it to succeed. There's more refinement. Some of the tops will be further reduced. How you experience it may be from the back. So we're going to be training some of the growth through the fencing, so there'll be foliage and fruit on this side also.